Was you driving it hard? Was you on track at the time? What?
Foot was flat.
Yeah.
It just went I thought,
Okay.
oh, something's not right here. I pulled over, turned off, started back up, misfire. Something's not right with this.
Yeah.
So I know that without seeing it.
So, Mark, good to meet you.
And you, mate.
Thanks for coming down.
Thank you.
So you come down today to sell your Golf R estate, yeah?
Yep.
What's really interesting about this is the car that you've replaced it with. Should we show everyone that first?
You can do, yeah.
So is that your new car?
That's one new car.
So
Well, I've
you've-
had it 6 months.
So you're already in. That's old news now. That car,
Yeah.
basically in your
Yeah,
head. So
yeah.
that's got to go. You've already bought your new car. Where do you buy it from? Did you buy it new then? I guess
Brand
you did.
new, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Such a good car, isn't it?
You can't knock it. You can't fault it.
Yeah.
It's a really good all-rounder. If you want to drive like Granny, drive like Granny. If you want to drive like
Lunatic, you can.
Lunatic, you can.
What a lovely car. How long have you had this for?
Since new,
Wow, really? Okay, and how many miles has it done now?
45.
So you don't really do a lot of driving then? Have you got a car that you use in
I've
a
got
day?
other cars.
What's that?
I've got other cars.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So you're obviously a bit of a car man then?
Yeah, I've got Astra GTs.
Oh, no way!
Yeah.
What is it? What one you've got?
Got 2 champions.
No way!
Yep. 3 states.
You've got...
Track
Go on.
car.
Yeah.
And I got the one I've done video with Ricky from LA Left with.
Oh, right. I need to see that video because I feel like I've seen your face now.
Yeah. A lot of people recognise me through that video.
That's funny. 6 years ago.
Yeah. So how long ago was it?
So have you still got that car?
Yeah. Just running a bit more power now.
This car, is it stock?
No, stage 2.
Okay. And where did you
MRC.
get it all done? MRC, yeah?
Yep. About 2.5, 3 years ago.
So you run it for a little while completely stock?
I run it stock until it was out of warranty. Mm-hmm. Then I went to stage 1
Yeah.
at MRC. Then I went back in a fortnight and said, I need stage 2.
So it went from
310 to 404.
300 to 360 and then
Yeah.
just over 400, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay. And at stage 2, it's perfect, isn't it?
it's ideal.
It's so good.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
get a bit more noise, a little bit more power.
It's got a full Miltech,
Perfect.
the cat's in the boot.
Okay, that's fine.
Bigger intercooler.
Okay, let's have a little look under the bonnet.
Just the normal stage 2 stuff.
Yeah, yeah. And then how much are you hoping to get for the car?
As much as possible.
Isn't it funny everyone says that? More than 10 grand?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? What are you thinking, like 11 or something like that?
No, I'm thinking more than that.
Really?
I'm thinking 15, 16, 17.
Really?
Yeah. Low mileage, 1 owner, full history.
That was my next question, maintenance-wise, where have you had it all done?
BMW until the warranty run out. Then
Yeah.
the independent VW specialist, VW ADVERTISE.
Okay,
Everything was done by them.
excellent. What did you do for work then? Were you in the car game?
I've got my own business.
Really?
I look after people's cats and dogs when I go on holiday.
Oh,
So I
right.
got kennels.
Okay. Oh, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
Because that's actually something that, I don't know, obviously you're down where you are, but yeah, I don't actually have that. We've got a friend that looks after our dog when we go away,
Right,
but
okay.
sometimes if she's away, it's a bit of a,
Yeah.
we have to plan our
yeah.
holidays around her.
Trade, I'm a diesel fitter by trade. Well,
You-
come on,
You're what by trade, sorry?
diesel fitter.
Okay.
Done my time on diesel on trucks,
Mm-hmm.
Scanias. Then moved down to Cornwall, done a bit of mechanics down there, and got fed up with it and done valeting, breakdown recovery driving,
Okay.
anything to do with motors. I've been involved in. And in 2012, when I lost my dad, I moved back up and took the kennels over. So I was down in Cornwall.
So was that his business then?
Yeah.
So what have you got, like a bit of land with kennels?
Yeah, it's only just under 1/4 acre,
Okay.
but I've got room for 75 dogs,
Blimey.
34 cats. It's
What,
all right.
I bet it's a good little business, yeah.
It's all right, yeah.
Yeah, I bet it is, yeah. Cool, all right. So I guess with the car, I usually ask why you're selling it, but the time's just come. You've had it 8, 9 years,
Yeah.
and you've obviously got your new one now. I'm guessing there's nothing like famous saying, is there anything wrong with it, anything I need to know about? No, it's all good.
It's had a full engine rebuild.
Has it really?
Yeah, because high pressure injector went down. Melted number 3 cylinder. ARES rebuilt the engine.
Okay.
So it's got a 2-year warranty on it.
When was that done?
It shows I've got the paperwork, yeah.
So at what point in the journey was this? Was you driving it hard? Was you on track at the time? What?
Foot was flat.
Yeah.
It just went I thought,
Okay.
oh, something's not right here. I pulled over, turned off, started back up, misfire, and recovered it home. Took it into VW Tech. He went, something's not right with this.
Yeah.
Put the bore scope down. He says number 3 piston's gone. So I was like, right, okay. Spoke to Nathan. After recommendation, he went, high pressure injector's gone down. He said, I know that without seeing it. He said, I've got cars out the back waiting to be done.
Oh, all right.
So he said, get it up to me. He said, I'll rebuild it.
Okay. And he's literally done.
I've got videos as well.
He's done the whole lot, yeah.
Oh yeah. If I'm going to spend the money, I'll spend the money. I don't scrim and scrape.
No, I can see that. So £4 plus VAT.
Yeah.
Ain't a bad price to be fair to him.
Well, considering what
it's a lot of work there.
Volkswagen wanted 10 for an engine, and then VW Audi Tech wanted another 4 to put it in.
Yeah.
So 14 grand. I was like, well, hang on a minute.
Okay, so he's done that, and that was done in October last year, yeah?
Yeah.
And what's the mileage? They're mileage 44,571. And what's it on now?
It's probably 1,000 over that.
So he's done about 1,000 miles since the engine's been done.
Yeah.
And since the engine's been done, is it all right?
Yep.
Yeah, everything sounds, yeah?
So the minor service. Yeah, carried out minor service.
Yeah.
Engine on filter, check adjustable lights, tyre pressures.
Yeah, yeah.
Advised on the tyres getting low.
So you took that to them to get serviced for the running in.
Yeah.
And that was done in February this year.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
700 quid. So you got it, all this work done, then you went back and got that done. And now
I've spent more money on it since then.
Really?
It's that top mount's done as well.
Blimey. Well, what's the most recent MOT? Is that why you got the top mounts done?
No, MOT runs out December.
December next year, this year.
Yeah.
It's going to drive spot on, this car, isn't it?
It does drive lovely. I can't fault it.
Have you still got the original wheels?
Yeah, in the boot.
Mate, you are on it, ain't you?
Well, I like to think so.
These are a very common choice of wheel for a Golf R, by the way.
Yeah.
Why did you pull these off and put...
Because one was cracked, so I had it welded.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, I don't want a welded wheel on. So I put set wheels on it.
So it's been repaired, that wheel? That's mad. So did them tyres come off of that and go on these wheels? Okay, that's good. So you got used to that with the tyres. So it would inspect from factory with a set of Pretorias and...
Yeah.
Fair play.
They're in that box.
They're in that box. That's good, because it would be a shame if they weren't with the car. Before we look at book values, let's quickly do the mandatory car vertical. So as ever, big thanks to Car Vertical for sponsoring this video. I will link them below. Use my code CCD to get 20% off when you do a car vertical check. Obviously, when you bought it new, so you would never have needed to do any checks. And in the time that you've had it, so we're obviously looking for all green ticks. Mileage has got a green tick, no finance outstanding, no previous damage, and never been stolen before. That is a perfect car vertical check. And if you click on the mileage and scroll down, you can see it's nice and consistent. What you're looking for is obviously you're looking for negatives. I say you're looking for negatives. Ideally, you want it to look like this, but if there are any negatives, it will give you an indication of why they're there. Like if the car's categorised, had any previous damage or anything like that. But with this car, there is literally nothing. It's all perfect. Green on the damage, green on natural disaster, green on everything else. One owner. You bought it in December 2017.
I've still got the original bill of sale.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. You had a private plate on it?
Yep. P5 APD.
You did, yeah. And that stayed on it right up until last year?
Yeah. January
last year. You've had the MOT done December last year. And now you're ready to sell. So that's perfect. I'll show you an example of what you don't want to see when you do a car vertical check. And that would have obviously come up on the check when you checked out that car. That's why you need to do a car vertical check. Link below, use that code CCD to get 20% off. So valuations, it's good that you've got the original cat, by the way. I do want to highlight that purely because we get offered lots of stage 2 cars on the channel or from the channel, and they're a pain. Like, people want stage 2 cars, there is a demand for them. But without the original cat, it's a problem.
Yeah.
When we sell one, ideally you want to try and source an original cat, but it's expense. So it's good that you've got that option there. So the values of this car, we obviously Cap and Auto Trader, between 14.5 in the trade and 16.8. And then that's according to Cap. And then according to Auto Trader, as much as £17,100 in the trade.
That sounds nice.
I bet it does. We're pulling all data from Auto Trader now, so it's got a retail rating there of 50 out of 100. That gives you an idea of the demand on the car on the open market. And then we've even got a link there to Car Vertical, which we've already done. All of that is within EnterEdge. That's a trade-only platform, enteredge.com. If you're a trader, you're not on board. Get on board. It's got all the old MOTs there as well, which we've already seen. Cool, so values that we're there or thereabouts. Car Vertical's all good. I've had a quick look over the outside of it. Has it had any paint at all anywhere? I know obviously on there it doesn't show any.
No. It's got a little nick there.
Yeah, which is nothing for the age of the car.
And obviously a few stone chips on the bonnet.
Yeah. Shall we jump in, go for a little drive and see where we end up? You got 2 keys?
Yep. And the original tag from the factory on the second key.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so good. Cool, let's go see what it drives like, yeah? really hoping that it wouldn't smell of dogs in here. And
There's never been a dog in here.
I was going to say, it doesn't. Doesn't smell like it.
It's upgraded service system as well.
You love it, don't you? You must have loved specking that M3,
Yeah,
buying it.
that's an LCI as well.
Yeah, no, I noticed.
So it's the bigger power engine one. We'll put it in sport, don't you? Click
Yeah.
back. If you give it a real bolt full, turn that off. What's his name used to say to me, who's shooting at MRC, turn traction fully off.
Yeah, especially if you launch it.
Saves the
Yeah. So, maintenance-wise, Haldex, you've kept up to date with that?
Yep.
There's a little bit of, obviously, the rattle in the back. Yeah, stuff in the boot. The brakes, I noticed they're slightly different on the front.
Yep.
You've changed them?
Yep, groove discs, DS. I'm not sure what pads it was. I know there's Rodo DS something, fast road pads. Backs was just new disc and standard pads.
Cool, that's good. MRC, what made you go to MRC? They're not down your way, are they? They're up.
No, I do a bit of drag racing. I've been down to Standard Pod a couple of times. I noticed that some of their cars are quick down there.
Yeah.
Do a bit of research, go online and let people to talk to, don't they?
Yeah, they're good. In fact, they're friends with Will. Will's good friends.
Yeah, my second choice would have been Will.
Yeah. Will's
Because like I say, I watch all your videos.
Yeah.
But no, I went to MRC because I could go up there on Sunday morning when it had a couple breakfast around the corner.
They sorted it all out.
And then drove it back. Yeah, they sorted it all out.
So, did they dyno the car? Have you got a dyno graph?
Yeah.
And what did you say the power was?
404.
That's good.
So something ridiculous torque.
And it's a full Miltech from the turbo back, is it?
Yeah.
And you got a receipt for the Miltech. Did you buy that separately? Or?
That will be with the MRC's paperwork.
Okay.
Because the MRC bought it all. I got everything through MRC and they fitted everything. I said, what do I need to do? She said, this is what you need to do. I said, well, get it ordered and get it done.
Yeah. Well done. It's mental how quick they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like
They surprise people.
they are. They're surprising. Even like, I'm not saying it's quicker than your M3 because it probably isn't, but you'd be shocked if you had a little race on the streets in one of these.
I've done a couple of M40s, a few ST Fiestas, RS Focuses.
The way I've said it a lot on the channel over the years, like stage 2 is the perfect setup.
Yeah.
It adds a bit more noise, so some people don't like the pops and bangs ain't too bad, to be fair, but it's just perfect. That little bit more power, a little bit more noise. It ain't too much. Still got the stock turbo on there. It's just nice.
Still reasonable on fuel as well.
Yeah. Well, you can still just chill and drive it like normal.
Yeah, well, I normally drive. I hardly ever put it in manual unless I'm playing.
Yeah, I like to drive it in manual. What intake's it got?
Wagner.
No, sorry.
No intake. Pikey 600.
Okay.
Snow filter delete at the bottom. Panel filter. Open the vents up on the grill.
Yeah.
And then big intake pipe.
Nice. And you say it's got Wagner intercooler as well?
Yeah, Wagner intercooler, yeah.
So when you bought it, was the old shape would have been out, they would have been selling the old ones, and then this would have come out in 67. So that's
yeah.
So this one would have been one of the first of the facelift, surely. Do you remember that? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Did you look at a pre-facelift car? Or did you wait for this?
No, I bought a 5-door Golf R to start off with.
Yeah. So that would have been a
It
pre-face.
would be their demo car.
Okay.
7.5.
Okay.
And I couldn't get no stuff in the boot.
Oh, really?
It's got high boot floor in it.
Yeah.
So I took it back to the dealer and said, that ain't no good.
Okay.
I sort of buy things on a whim and then think about it when I got it. So he said, well, what do you want? I said, well, really, I need a estate car. He went, we've got a Golf R estate in stock. I went, well, okay, you better show me it. And he showed me this. I said, right, okay, let's get it done.
Yeah. Fair play. How long did you have the hatch for then?
5 days.
Wow. So I'm just trying to push it. Oh, I'm doing it deliberately because I'm conscious that this car's recently had an engine rebuild. I'm just making sure it's pulling lovely. Like, it's absolutely credit to whoever built the engine.
They've built a lot of drag engines.
What a bloody great all-rounder this is.
Yeah, I had a new sump on it as well because the sump had walked. It was leaking.
Okay.
So I had a brand new sump on it as well, Volkswagen one.
Okay. And then fuel, you run it on 99, right?
Yeah, it's never run on anything else since day one.
And then the gearbox software, was that done? He would have done that probably when he
Yeah,
had
the gearbox tune as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, lighten the gearbox right up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the gearbox is spot on. So then money, you've mentioned 15, 16 and 17.
Yeah, I'd like to be at the higher end. What are you thinking?
So you think you'd like 17 grand for it?
I'd like more than that for it, but
Really?
I've got to be realistic. I mean, I own a car from new, low miles, well looked after.
Yeah.
Is there a better one out there?
I think that's an impossible question to even answer. Definitely yes. I don't know how much there, I don't know. It's a lovely car.
Yeah.
Hasn't got the pan roof,
No.
which
Crack anyway.
yeah.
It's got DCC as well, which is rare on this stage.
Yeah. So have you upgraded the speakers yourself?
No, I had it all done. First do, so all the doors are done.
So they've all been done aftermarket?
Yeah.
So you had all that done yourself?
Yeah.
Because from factory they do have dying audio.
Yeah.
So this didn't have it, but you've upgraded the speakers.
Yeah, it sounds better than dying audio anyway, I think.
Yeah. Money, mate. The money trap.
Well, for a figure of me.
Well, I'm going to do the opposite to you. You're saying you want more than the higher end of the 15 to 17, so I'm going to just hit you
Go on, hit me with a figure.
at the opposite end. So you're saying you want 17, I'm going to hit you with 15 grand and see where we end up.
Yeah. I'll take it home for that.
Yeah, I expect you would say that. So 16 grand.
Nah. Again, I'll take it home for that.
So what are you saying then, 17 grand?
Well, I ain't going to push it to 17 and a half, am I?
You're not, mate.
No. I mean, you did mention 17.1.
What, on the book values?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
I don't know if that's top book, middle book, or bottom book. Well,
I'll tell you what.
You've got to put.
No, I'll tell you what I'll do. You just mentioned 17 and a half, yeah?
Yeah.
I've mentioned 17 grand.
Yeah.
I'll meet you in the middle at 17,250 because the car is absolutely spot on, mate. Yeah? 17,250. Done. Because I know you'll go away a happy customer.
Yeah.
And honestly, the fact that you've got everything here, the wheels here, the car's lovely. And I say it all the time, my end goal with a car is obviously earning money is priority. We're a business, yeah?
Yeah.
But also a happy customer at the end of it.
Yeah.
Whoever buys this car, and it'll probably be sold before this video goes live, whoever gets this car will be so happy with it.
Yeah,
it's such a good car.
Yeah.
I can just feel it straight away. It's so nice. Like, they're a good car anyway, but this particular car is a lovely example. So I'm happy to have this car as a bit of stock. So I'm grateful, grateful that you come down. Thank you. So yeah, we'll head back, do payment and invoice and everything. But yeah, guys, car vertical, link below, code CCD to get 20% off. Enterreg.com, link below as well. If you're a trader, you want to buy stock from private sellers like Mark and, you know, manage your books, make your website. You can create your own website on there as well. Value cars, link your stuff to Auto Trader, upload your stock to Auto Trader. You can do all of that within Enterreg. I'll link that below as well. Finally, to everyone watching, hit like and hit subscribe. And Mark, I'm going to thank you again for coming down. Thank you very much.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers, mate. Sound.